See, Sandro said it was right there. He did say it, and we opened up here, and nothing here. It's right underneath the toilet. Let's see what happens. Let's see, Jerry Magana got it. Let's see if the water comes out from Jerry Magana. Jerry says it's wet there. Let's see. Let me try it. See what happens. Hold on a second, Jerry. Pull it from the middle. Let's see where Jerry Magana got. Let's see if there's water. Let's see if there's water. A little bit. There's water on the installation there.